You hold on. I cannot do it outside. You know why? Because I do it outside. Uh, you hear my sound? I didn't get ready because you asked me to go live, so I just go live. Just try for error. Can you hear me? You hear me or not? I didn't go in the setting yet. Oh, do. Yeah, it's my garden. I you see my shot this morning. The shot I create for you. I sent so many picture of my garden. Did you get it? Did you watch the shot? Later I can show you the shot. I can show you the green screen for I will keep on changing the screen. But you wait me for a while. This is the first and the fastest live I set up. I just take 1 minute only. Did you watch my my shot for this morning? 爱你在心口难开. The one is I just select a few. A few picture of my gardens. So the first is from the zero, from empty. It's at the side of right hand side of my house. It's a 10 feet length. The white is 10 feet length. So from zero, then I build up the floor. The gazebo, the white color gazebo is the last one. I do it. So then I build the. Initially, I just plant some flower and trees, and then I build a fish pond. Fish pond take me about 3 months to 6 months. I need to collect all the stone from the hillside of nearby my house. Then I need to do the waterproofing for my fish pond. I show you a picture. But I think the green screen is much more better than previously what I'm doing when I just started the show. The live 5 months ago. 5 months ago, my green screen is very lousy one. I try to get you one. Yeah, this is a white gazebo. This gazebo I buy from the Home Pro. I don't know your country have Home Pro or not. This one spent me about, I think 600 ringgit, around 600 ringgit. So it's a DIY item, so I just do it myself. Then you see the wooden, what do you call it? The wooden strip, what do you call it? There's a terms, lower, the wooden lower, on the gazebo. I do it myself. I buy the wood strip, then I nail it. Then the side, you see the electric, the electric parts. I try to point. You see this, I cannot point it. At the left hand side, you see there's also a wood strip. That wood strip actually is the baby bed, the frame of the baby bed, which people they don't use it. So I just hi Alex. So people didn't use it, they want to throw it out. So I just collect back and I just fix it at the wall there. So there is a recycled materials. So and this one, you see the wood actually, because initially I buy a frame, iron frame, but you know, after a long time the iron will get rust, so it cannot long lasting only. So I put some wood and yeah, it's not water fountain, it's a water floor. It's a mini water floor. Let me show you. So this one I just to enhance you see the wood at the frame that I just try to enhance the structure, because the initial, it means the iron frame is already rusted. So to make this plant, grow well and cover the frame, it took me about 6 months to 1 year. 6 months to 1 year. So I just show you again. And this is actually this. You see the behind my side. Yeah, this side. Sorry, this is the wax. A big waxes, but it look antique. It look antique because I put the cement. I just use the cement, just make it stick to the surface of the waxes. The big water. What do you call it? Water pump. water, what do you get? The place they make water, what do you call it? It's not a container, it's a big vest, big space. So I just use the cement, I just throw it. Then you will stick to the surface of the waxes. So then I use the rope to tie the surface. You see the rope, there's a rope there, right? There's a rope. I use the rope to tie it up. Then use some spray of the paint, blue color, gray color paint on surface. Just blow it up. I mean spray the paint. Then now you will look more antique. I have the picture for initially. Let me check. So yeah, I try to get some picture for you. So today we're talking about garden, right? Okay, this bird also I DIY myself. You see the bird behind, right? I do it myself. This bird, I learned it from YouTube. Yeah. Sorry, this one. Hey, I cannot point. I don't know how to point. Yeah. I learned it from the YouTube. YouTube got people teach you how to do it. The chair behind me. Oh, it's a rest chair. And I give you some more picture. Today's gardening instruction. You miss this chair, right? Sorry, this chair, right? It's not so clear in the picture. This is not I do it. I mean this chair is a lying chair. It's a lazy chair. So usually noontime I will sit in it means Saturday Sunday I will just sit in the inside the gazebo. So just enjoy the cooling effect and carbon not carbon dioxide oxygen. Of course. I everything I do, I put out all my effort. Then at the same time, I learning many things from it. I show you some more pictures. This is the eggplant. There is eggplant. This eggplant also not easy. Can be easy to take care, also difficult to take care also. Then some more picture for you. Just wow. Maybe sometimes I need to get back my gallery from food. So this is the front. This is the front look of my houses. So now it's a new year. So I put some artificial flower on the existing plant. I just cut out the leaf, then put the artificial to make it more roaming effect for the new year coming. I'll show you one more, few more things. Cannot get it. So behind me, this I think this sorry, my hand cannot show. Behind me, this is the pond area. There's a fish there, koi fish down there, small koi fish. Sure. Then Actually, in my Facebook, later maybe I link you to my Facebook. I put the footprint for it, footprint from zero, from everything. When I do the flooring, I do the because I got nothing to do, old man, nothing to do. Especially during the COVID times, the pandemic times. I learned many things. Let me show you. This is the conventional, yeah. Talking about this tree, what we call it, Lo Han Song. Usually, people like to shape it into the, I mean, like a ball, a small ball, a ball shape. Then recently, the popular one is make it a long shape. So I modified the plant to make it a long shape. How I do it, you see, I put the wooden strip at the downstairs. There I tie. Then I put some lantern for the new year. Yeah, not nearby. Later I show you later on, one by one. I have many pictures, but all inside phone. Sometimes quite long time already. Let me browse out. My house many corner. This is my front house. So you see the bridge behind, the partition bridge. Yeah? The partition bridge, actually I do it myself. How I do it, I buy a mall. This mall from online. So I just put the cement on it, then for it to make it dry and hard. The second day I take out the mall, the bridge, the brick from the mall. So one day I have two more. So one day I do two piece. Then after I finish all the things, I just combine it, cement it up. Then it will be a nicer divider. Then all this I do it one man. I show you my room. Show my room. This is the entrance for my room. This is the entrance for my room. I think Alex know it. I showed Alex before. So I'm now in behind of this room. And yeah, this is, I think this morning I do it. This is a night view of the gazebo. So this strip, sorry, this top strip, the wooden strip, I do it myself lah. So the biggest one is the bed frame lah. Baby means a baby bed frame. So I just take it from others people. Then the plastic chair is I brought it myself lah, from the shop lah. Behind you can see the plant, the biggest plant I like the most. That's the biggest one. We call it this biggest plant. We call it what? Monstera. The leaves very nice one, Monstera. Then you get a jungle feel. Haha, another one I show you. You see the fan on top. Hey, cannot move my phone. On top there is a two fan, right? Two fan. There's a recycle fan, which the fan is no more in use. So I just take it, I adding a bearing, put it on top, so it will be turning when the wind is blowing. I'm enjoying it. You see, there's just like a long corridor for you to enter my Amo Garden. Welcome to Amo Garden. So you just walk inside. Then there's at the center there. At the center there, there's a chair. There's a place that my guests. I mean, what you call it? Check in. So my VIP guests, they come to my house. They will check in at the place there. I show you my initial gardens. We sometimes. So, Madu, you also interested in the gardening? My album is almost a few thousand pictures inside. I didn't get prepared today for you just because you asked me to have a live there. Okay, just a live. This is daytime. I think you want, yeah. So this is a noontime picture from the back of my house when I look to the front. So my pool is behind the gazebo. The pool, I will show you the pool later on. It's just below here. The pool is just below here. The fish. Then the bridge. And this one also the plant I buy. This also a jungle road. You get a jungle feel. My daughters always complain me, our house becoming a jungle. I need to turn it fast. I show you my pretty girl. This is my daughter. My daughter, I think, study some similar things like you. She's a chemical engineering. Wow, so many pictures I have inside. Yeah, okay, I show you the pond, my fish pond. So you see the fish pond. This fish pond is I doing myself. Then this the water roller I bought it from Shenzhen last year. I think last year I bought it from Shenzhen. You see the water is very clear. Then there's another waxes on top there. On top there is another waxes, big waxes for the water to flow down. Then my fish all usually they will hide inside here. They will hide inside here, yeah. This place the fish they like to hide, right? So actually there's deep inside there is there's some space for the fish to hide inside. So on top of that I put the layer of plastic in some sand and some glasses, some stone to cover it up. So usually they will come out only when they want to eat something or when I'm feeding. Otherwise they hide inside. Or when nobody inside and nobody in the area, they will come out. My fish is very shy one. So tonight we live from this poolside. Okay, ah. Uh, So, but the most important you have to do is you study well. You must study well first, then you get a and get a job, then you can have a comfortable life. Then you can do your hobby. I'm age, I'm 50, so I don't think that it is a good time for me now to go and fighting for the career or fight for the business. For my age, I shall put it a slow mode, just enjoy. And the best thing is that try to take care of the heart, make the heart more happy. So how to make the heart more happy? Singing is the best way. I like to show you. You want to follow that? I show you. So, what song you like to hear for what you like me to sing for today? Actually, I not finished my video editing yet. Just you ask me, Amu, go for live. Okay, I said, okay. I go for live. And today so lucky, I can see your message and I can type it. So lucky. And then today we have a very good view, right? We have a water fountain view. We have a fish pond view. Give me a clap, huh? So today I will stick to for this nice view. Okay, at least we have some water feature. Not every day in the category room. So today we are doing it outside. So are you having your dinner? India time, I think it's most. Tomorrow is a Malaysia public holiday. You know, I told you on the Thaipusam, right? Thaipusam public holiday. So I just talked to my wife. Maybe she want to follow me go there, or I don't know. I'm not decided. If I go tomorrow, it's very crowded. If I go there, then I will tell you some video for it. It's very interesting festival. You told me in South India, you're celebrating the same, right? We start from let it go, can. Not let it go, let her go, let her go. Sure, I send you a video. Give me some time, sir. Give me some time, I send you a video. Today I'm singing much more better than previous improving.
But you only need the light when it's burning low.
Only miss the sun when it start to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. Sure. Staring at the bottom of your glass, hoping one day you'll make a dream last. But dreams come slow and they go so fast. You see her when you close your eyes. Maybe one day you'll understand why everything you touch surely dies. But you only do the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hit the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. Staring at the ceiling in the dark, some old empty feeling in my heart. 'Cause love comes slow and it goes so fast. When you see her when you fall asleep, but never to touch and never to keep. 'Cause you love her too much and you dare to leave. But you only need a light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you will be high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. And you let her go. And you let her go. Girl, you let her go. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you have been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you let her go. But you only need the light when it's burning low. Only miss the sun when it starts to snow. Only know you love her when you let her go. Only know you've been high when you're feeling low. Only hate the road when you're missing home. Only know you love her when you start let her go. And you let her go. My birthday, August. I told you already, August. I'm a Rio. I hope I can transfer some positive energy to you. Nobody can stop us if we want to go. Right? Nobody can stop you. If you have the desire, you have the passion, you want to learn something, just always try first. Try. Don't think too much. Try. Try and error, keep on improve. Then you do it. 11. Okay, secret. Still far away. But your birthday is coming soon. I'm so tensioned. No, I'm so tensioned. Because your song, I still cannot master it. I'm so tensioned. I need to do something for you. So tomorrow is 1st December. Then 2nd December. I have only 48 hours. So sweating now. I'm sweating now. Don't tell the whole India my birthday. So, okay, my machine is auto dedicated song. So the coming song is a Hailayamu. Hailayamu is the name. I told you the name where come from my Malayamu. So this Hailayamu is my hero. So it's from China. 言不由衷的人，海拉姆。
就没有了期待。是不是一个人又喝醉了，说着言不由衷的话？忘了吧，忘了吧，提着你那易碎的玻璃心。忘了吧，忘了吧，晚归的人又迷失自己。时而在寂寞的夜里呀，找一个灵魂相似的人；时而在崩溃的边缘啊，少一个志同道合的人。别了吧，别了吧，灯火总可有人等着你回家。别了吧，别了吧，借着酒意你泪流满腔。一代是来日方长，怕就怕大梦一场。你要的不过是目光所至，这寂寞没有人懂。别了吧，别了吧，灯火总可有人等着你回家。别了吧，别了吧，借着酒意你泪流满腔。别了吧，别了吧，灯火总可有人等着你回家。别了吧，别了吧，借着酒意你泪流满腔。忘了吧，忘了吧，提着我那易碎的玻璃心。忘了吧，忘了吧，晚归的人又迷失自己，晚归的人又迷失自己，晚归的人又迷失自己。So today, free and easy. I'm thinking what song I want to sing. Just sing only. This song is a whole world band. It's a band song. I cannot outlook for tomorrow. Sure, for sure one. Luckily, my account still not monetized. 阿妹阿妹几时搬家住？我急得快发狂。今天你要老实讲，我是否有希望？虽然我是个穷光蛋，人又长得不怎么样，但是你要想一想，看看自己的长相。阿妹阿妹不要再彷徨，少你的青春短。今天你不要倔强，怀着我的心凉。虽然我没汽车洋房，吃的主菜有蛋饭，只要你陪我作伴，抱你白白又胖胖。Yeah, Monday is a replacement holiday, so Monday is public holiday.阿妹几时搬家住？我急得快发狂。今天你要老实讲， 我是否有希望？虽然我是个穷光蛋，人又长得不怎么样，但是你要想一想，看看自己的长相。阿妹阿妹，不要再彷徨，少你的青春短。今天你不要倔强，快做我的新娘。虽然我没汽车洋房，吃得出茶又当饭，只要你陪我做饭，抱你白白又胖胖。只要你陪我做饭，抱你白白又胖胖。
I forget my glasses. I still thinking about it. Don't know yet. Not decide yet. Not decide yet. Because it's in the downtown area. Not too far from my house. I think around 40 minutes driving times. 40 minutes from my house, from my own house. But the traffic will be jam lah. Traffic very jam because you suggest me go. If I go, I go by public transport lah. Maybe I go by commuter, public transport. If I go, I will take a video for you. But I need to check tomorrow what time it start. Hey, Yang, you Ipoh now, right? Yang, just now, I'm showing my garden. 我没有准备还没有准备好，因为我还在做我的那个 video。Make vlog, I don't know how to do it. I already put my best effort to do the live singing already. Now you ask me to do the vlog. Brother, time's limited. No, I cannot do too many things. One by one, they're okay. Right, must focus one thing first. Then you see a result, then okay, maybe learn new things, then go. Cannot here touch a little bit. No problem. I don't need to type. Better for me. So 庸庸，这是我家的那个水池，鱼池，我做的，我自己做的，啊，自己挖自己做，然后石头在我家附近有很多那个山，我山那边一天搬几粒回来。The stone I collect from the hillside. So if one day I collect a few, put in my car, a few piece. That's just like you saving your money. One day you're saving 3 pieces, one day 2 pieces, then it become a very, very huge amount. So this pool didn't spend me too much. I think less than 1,000 ringgit. I get all things done. But if I ask expert to do it, maybe they will charge me 10,000, 15,000. So DIY is fun. DIY is fun. 知道。欢迎老飞。
你到我身边，带着微笑，带来了我的烦恼。我的心中早已有个他比你先到。他到我身边，带着微笑，带来了我的烦恼。我的心中早已有个他比你先到。他温柔又可爱，他美丽又大方。直到有一天，你心中有个他，你会了解我的感觉。爱要真诚，不能分享。我对你说声抱歉。你到我身边，带着微笑，带来了我的烦恼。我的心中早已有个他比你先到。他温柔又可爱，他美丽又大方。直到有一天，心中有个他，你会了解我的感觉。爱要真诚，不能分享。我对你说声抱歉。我对你说声抱歉。我对你说声抱歉。
谢谢 ，Thank you。小虎，童年吗？可以啊，童年可以啊，童年要睡的哈，想想。童年是张艾嘉哈，对不对？张艾嘉还有谁有唱的？啊，罗大佑，对，罗大佑。你们这也有，但是我现在我找到罗大佑了，罗大佑里面有好多歌嘞，恋曲199，你要听吗？
重翻找到。
By the way, no guitar already, you know.
池塘边的榕树下，知了在声声叫着夏天。操场边的秋千上，只有蝴蝶停在上面。黑板上老师的粉笔还在拼命叽叽喳喳写个不停。等待着下课，等待着放学，等待游戏的童年。福利社里面什么都有，就是口袋里没有半毛钱。诸葛四郎和魔鬼党，到底谁抢到那支宝剑？隔壁班的那个女孩，怎么还没经过我的窗前？嘴里的零食，手里的漫画，初恋的童年。总是要等到睡觉前，才知道功课只做了一点点。总是要等到考试以后，才知道该练的书都没有练。一寸光阴一寸金，老师说过寸金难买寸光阴。一天又一天，一年又一年，迷迷糊糊的童年。
我会弹吉他的。Water fountain. Okay. But water fountain not complete, not perfect yet,
没有人知道为什么太阳总下到山的那一边。没有人能够告诉我，山里面有没有住着神仙？多少的日子里，总是一个人面对着天空发呆，就这么好奇，就这么幻想，这么孤单的童年。阳光下，蜻蜓飞过来，一片片绿油油的稻田。水彩蜡笔又万花筒，画不出天边那一道彩虹。什么时候才能像高年级的同学有张成熟已长大的脸？盼望着假期，盼望着明天，盼望长大的童年。一天又一天，一年又一年，盼望长大的童年。
邊個冇童年㗎？
邊個冇童年啊？
邊個咪晒過咁樣？
係啊，邊個冇童年啊？
先至咧，呢個有錢㗎嘛，先有水飲㗎嘛。飲湯靚湯好飲。
By the way, water fountain of Louisa, because I'm now in the folder for this Rotayu. This one also very classic song. 练起1990。
乌溜溜的黑眼珠和你的笑脸，怎么也难忘记容颜的转变。轻飘飘的旧时光就这么溜走，转头回去看看时，已匆匆数年。长茫茫的天涯是你的漂泊， 寻寻觅觅常相守，是我的脚步。黑漆漆的古镇边，是你的温柔。醒来时的清晨里，是我的哀愁。我惜明日太阳西下，见了已归时，你将已经踏上旧时的归途。人生难得再次寻觅相知的伴侣，生命中就难舍蓝蓝的白云间。轰隆隆的雷一声在我的窗前，怎么也难忘记离去的转变。孤单单的身影和寂寥的心情，永远无言的是我的双眼。是你的漂泊，寻寻觅觅常相守，是我的脚步。黑漆漆的古镇边，是你的温柔。醒来时的清晨里，是我的哀愁。我惜明日太阳西下，见了已归时，你将已经踏上旧时的归途。人生难得再次寻觅相知的伴侣，生命中就难舍蓝蓝的白云天。轰隆隆的雷一声在我的窗前，怎么也难忘记你离去的转变。孤单单的身影和寂寥的心情，永远无言的是我的双眼，无言的是我的双眼。Hamster man, Hamster if I can play guitar and singing, not so sad. What do I? 你的样子可以，engine start. Badu, Amu engine is hot already. For Rotayu, I think this spec okay Rotayu feel. I'm playing the guitar also. 你的样子。Rotayu, I think I can sing half an hour maybe. But it is a nice singer, very nice singer. 我听到传来的水的声音，像那梦里无影中的小河。我看到偃旗着水的步伐，这种告别是哀伤的眼神。不明白的是为何你轻言，让风尘刻画你的样子，就像早已忘情的世界，曾经拥有你的名字，我的声音。那悲歌总会在梦中惊醒，诉说一定爱上过的往事。那看似漫不在乎转身的，是风干以后潇洒的样子。不明白的是为何人世间总不能用见你的样子？是否来迟了命运的旋律，早谢了你的笑容，我的心情。不变的你，定定在茫茫的城市中。聪明的孩子，披着易碎的灯笼。潇洒的你，将心事化进尘烟中。孤独的孩子，你是造物的恩宠。谢谢。我听到传来的水的声音，像那梦里无影中的小河。我看到偃旗着水的步伐，这种告别是哀伤的眼神。不明白的是为何你轻言，让风尘刻画你的样子，就像早已忘情的世界，曾经拥有你的名字，我的声音。不变的你，定定在茫茫的城市中。聪明的孩子，披着心爱的灯笼。潇洒的你，将心事化进尘烟中。孤独的孩子，你是造物的恩宠。这个。你深情永不变，难道你不曾回头想想昨日的誓言？就算你留恋开放在水中娇艳的水仙，别忘了寂寞的山谷的角落里，野百合也有春天。仿佛如同一场梦，我们如此短暂的相逢。你像一阵春风，轻轻柔柔吹入我心中。而今何处是你往日的笑容？记忆中那样熟悉的笑容，你可知道我爱你像你眼里深情永不变？难道你不曾回头想想昨夜的誓言？就算你留恋开放在水中娇艳的水仙，别忘了寂寞的山谷的角落里，野百合也有春天。
韩夜颖啊，韩夜颖会起手，等下我找一下。OK。 我都 be patient a bit 啦。
从未曾拥有
Sorry，
总难陷入哀伤和怀疑，从来未曾属于真情的是空虚的无意。而今当你说你将会离去，突然间我开始失去我自己。你可知道我爱你、想你、眼里面你，深情永不变。难道你不曾回头想想昨日的誓言？就算你留恋开放在水中娇艳的水仙，别忘了寂寞的山谷的角落里，野百合也有春天。你可知道我爱你、想你、眼里念你，深情永不变。难道你不曾回头想想昨日的誓言？就算你留恋开放在水中娇艳的水仙，别忘了寂寞的山谷的角落里，野百合也有春天。你可知道我爱你、想你、眼里念你，深情永不变。难道你不曾回头想想昨日的誓言？就算你留恋开放在水中娇艳的水仙，别忘了寂寞的山谷的角落里，野百合也有春天。啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦啦。
他粤语好。Alex， 韩粤语我送1万，不要说你挺download的，我要download，因为韩粤语我会唱，但是我的之前宕机嘛，说里面的歌要重新录过。我是不是你最疼爱的人吗？可以吗？可以的话我就录那一首先。我看潘粤云还有好多首其实。梦田应该这戏唱不是我唱吧？一个天蓝，天蓝，我好像也会有。天顶的月亮。我在录着那个，我是不是你最疼爱的人哈？然后点唱机现在是张震岳 ，Rocker， 我都 a bit hot song for you， freedom， 张震岳。
你。我知道我的脾气不是很好，也许不一定。我知道我还是一样爱着你。打开一瓶红色的酒，看着记忆游来游去，是否我们都想要自由？我没有关系，你可以假装没事离开这里，一切好安静。我只是想把情绪好好压抑。到底谁会先说再见？我知道我一定哭泣。走的时候记得说爱我，爱我，说爱我，说爱我。难道你不再爱我？我的泪滴下来，你从来不曾看过。为什么？为什么？爱情让人变沉重，没有人告诉我，原来不是我想象。不要回来，你已经自由了，我也已经自由了。没有关系，你可以假装没事离开这里，一切好安静。我只是想把情绪好好压抑。到底谁会先说再见？我知道我一定哭泣。走的时候记得说爱我，爱我。说爱我，说爱我，难道你不再爱我？我的泪滴下来，你从来不曾看过。为什么？为什么？爱情让人变沉重，没有人告诉我，原来不是我想象。不要回来，少了。Hang on. Oh no, because just now I downloaded a song. It's autoplay. 我是不是你最疼爱的人？从来就没冷过，因为有你在我身后。你总是轻轻地说。黑夜有我，你总是默默承受，这样的我不敢言有。现在为了什么不再看我？我是不是你最疼爱的人？你为什么不说话？我总是你冰冷的手，动也不动，让我好难过。我是不是你最疼爱的人？你为什么不说话？当我需要你的时候，你却沉默不说。从来就没冷过，因为有你挡住寒冬。你总是在我身后， 带着笑容。你总是细心温柔，呵护守候，这样的我，现在为了什么不再看我？我是不是你最疼爱的人？你为什么不说话？我就是你冰冷的手，动也不动，让我好难过。我是不是你最疼爱的人？你为什么不说话？当我需要你的时候，你却沉默不说。你最心疼我把泪哭红，你曾几声说过，不让我为其泪流。我是不是你最疼爱的人？你为什么不说话？当我需要你的时候，你却沉默不说。的保证。呀，我是不是你最疼爱？很久没有唱了。But we're still there, right? Water fountain. Sorry. 天天天蓝，等下看有机会唱。天天天蓝也是没唱过，但是我应该会唱吧。She told me that she loved me by the water fountain. She told me that she loved me, she didn't love him. And that was really loving because it was innocent. But now she got a cup with something else in it. It's getting kind of blurry at 10:15, and he was in a hurry to be touching her skin. She's feeling kind of dirty when she's dancing with him, forgetting what she told me by the water fountain. Now she can bring her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And she knows that she doesn't listen, and that she doesn't even me by the water fountain. She couldn't be at home at the night time because it made her feel alone, but at that time she was too young. I was too young. And she built a home with a fountain for us. The moment that she told me that I was in love, too young. I was too young, too young, too young, too young, young. And if she ever go back to the water fountain, the handle will be broken and the rust set in. But my hand it will be open and I will try to fix it. My heart it will be open and I will try to keep it. Now I'm grabbing her hips and pulling her in, kissing her lips and whispering in her ear. And I know that's only a wish, and that we're not standing by the water fountain. Too young, too young. 呀呀。
听到一点。
Too young. Should beautiful be a fountain for us. The moment that she told me that she was in love. Too young, I was too young. Too young, too young, too young, young, too young. The moment that she told me that she was in love. Too young, I was too young.
Done. Done. So 刚才唱罗大佑，唱回罗大佑好吗？还是刚刚有其他歌手要听吗？还是要唱那个福建歌吗？来个江蕙的好吗？江蕙的是蔡小虎。一条音来哈，大家吃饱了。踏出社会，为着将来，离开故乡走天涯。哪知命运这呢歹，前途茫茫像大海。无论啥年也无知，受尽风霜也忍耐。心爱心爱的，你若有了解，请你着忍耐。女性是无气概，红红目屎吞白泪，满腹。心酸，悲哀也迎来。But this is Hokkien dialect, Hokkien song. It's my mother tongue. 踏出社会，为着将来，离开故乡走天涯。哪知命运这呢歹，前途茫茫像大海。无论啥年也无知，受尽风霜也忍耐。心爱心爱的，你若有了解，请你着忍耐。女性是无气概，红红目屎吞白泪，满腹
心声，悲哀呀哩来。无论啥年也无踪，受尽风霜也忍耐。心爱心爱，你若有了解，请你着忍耐。愈心事无气间，暗目屎吞白来，满腹心酸。悲哀呀哩来，
泥泞的小路陪你走过，海角的日落陪你看过，你的哭你的笑我全都爱过，不敌岁月的斑驳。最美的情话对你讲过，一生的承诺还没听过，再后来的故事却无人诉说，只希望我们重新来过。我说回忆是心底的梦，藏在痴心的人眼中，可是抓住的越紧，我越思念你，越让我心痛。你说回忆是心底的梦，吹过春夏，吹过寒冬，想要吹。
我在录黄义玲的那个《春风恋曲》，因为我觉得那首歌很好听，之前也是都在里面，要重新录过。这首歌是海莱阿木的歌，海莱阿木的《一路走过》，我也非常喜欢。在录的当中，如果他已经录好，他会调哈，但是我们可以直接唱一点。一路走过，海莱阿木。泥泞的小路陪你走过，海角的日落陪你看过，你的哭你的笑我全都爱过，不敌岁月的斑驳。最美的情话对你讲过，一生的承诺还没听过，再后来的故事却无人诉说，只希望我们重新来过。我说回忆是心底的梦，总在痴心的人眼中，可是抓住了越紧，我越思念你，越让我心痛。你说回忆是心底的风，吹过春夏，吹过寒冬，想要穿过这风雨，回头看这一路，命运之中。这首歌叫《一路走过》。海莱阿木还有很多首歌都很好听。泥泞的小路陪你走过，海角的日落陪你看过，你的哭你的笑我全都爱过，不敌岁月的斑驳。 的情话对你讲过，一生的承诺还没听过，再后来的故事却无人诉说，只希望我们重新来过。我说会是心底的梦，总在痴心的人眼中。可是抓住的夜景，我也失恋你，也让我心痛。哈哈，录完了。这首歌是我要介绍的，来，书童面前。Alex 应该听过。阵阵的零星的风吹起的来，哪通放阮过一个美丽的面貌？期待着阵阵春风帮助后回转，美丽美丽身旁一个人，吹呀吹来春天的风。吹呀吹来心轻松，不愿为着无情的人耽误阮青春梦。Alex 应该听过哈。阵阵的零星的风吹起一个人，哪通放阮过一个美丽的面貌？期待着阵阵春风帮助后回转，美丽美丽身旁一个人。吹呀吹来春天的风，吹呀吹来心轻松，不愿为着无情的人耽误阮青春梦。一个人。吹呀吹来春天的风，吹呀吹来心轻松，不愿为着无情的人耽误阮青春梦。Bottom Theory， Song for Today， 就一首歌吗？还是最后2首歌？
那两位贵宾想听什么歌？你们想听什么歌？我可以唱的，我就唱。Alex and Green Grass， 我唱前面一部分可以吗？是很好听，但是后面到了那个地方啊，后面当他发现他梦醒的时候，那个我还不是很熟，所以我也没有什么时间去练，还没有时间练。来，大家一起听歌好啊！你的 green 什么 green grass。So I will sing you the part that I cannot sing. I let the music to play on. It's Alex's favorite. Green grass. I see the video like 黄清妍啊，黄清妍有一首歌，黄清妍有一首歌叫什么？神奇的马还是什么马来忘记了。As I stand up from the tree, and there to meet me is my mama and papa. Down the road I look and there raspberry, hay of fruits and leaves like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Yes, they all come to meet me, arms are reaching, soaring sweetly. It's good to touch the green grass of home. The old house is still standing, the parapet is cracked and dry, and there's that old oak tree that I used to pray on. Down the lane I walk with my sweet Mary, hay of gold and leaves like cherries. It's good to touch the green grass of home. Then I wake and look around me at the rainbow that surrounds me. And I realized that I was only dreaming. For there's a love and there's a sad old heartache. Will rock at daybreak. Again, I'll touch the green grass of home. Yes, they came to see me in the shade of that old oak tree, as they lay near the green grass of home. Alex, that's what I tell you. When he the dreams, when he awake from the dreams, the part, I still need to practice some more time. Of course, this is his story. It's not my story, and I'm still young. I still need to get the actual feelings. Then I need to practice more time. Then Maybe another 10 years I can see better. But at least your mission I complete 50% 50%ว่าบางที Again, let's introduce the song Winnie Drums. It's a nice song actually. Just I still cannot master it.
Hồng ya chín siêu kỳ, hồ ya chín siêu kỳ, kỳ hoa na e bo chi kỳ,爱呀消失去，情歌来到底，想你想你不知有啥意义。四季在探听，都为有你的消息。我的感情，予你绑甲死死。我问天，我问天，敢会当卖创治？搁再爱你这话是我家己。我问天，我问天。敢会当卖创治？想袂放袂记，我不知不觉追十年。窗外的风，敢讲是人忍的泪，不愿面对现实，梦中追十年。
对呀，音乐没有国界。
风也真受气，雨也真受气，气我哪会无志气？爱也消失去，情歌来到底，想你想你不知有啥意义。四季在探听，都为你的消息。我的感情，予你绑甲死死。我问天，我问天，敢会当卖创治？搁再爱你这话是我家己。我问天，我问天，敢会当卖创治？想袂放袂记，我不知不觉追十年。窗外的风，敢讲是人忍的泪，不愿面对现实，梦中追十年。我问天，我问天，敢会当卖创治？搁再爱你这话是我家己。我问天，我问天，敢会当卖创治？想袂放袂记，我不知不觉追十年。窗外的风，敢讲是人忍的泪，不愿面对现实，梦中追十年。
我忽然间想到江志峰，
张志峰，办公 ID 啊，我觉得那首歌对着老婆唱特别好，但是我老婆每天躲在外面，她不经常听我唱歌。不曾说爱你，张志峰。也是要跟导入过，可以啊，螺丝风也是有的。很多歌不剪掉的。昨天跟杰西说那个卫星里啊，卫星里有几首歌，我记得我有在唱歌，我觉得很好唱。我希望我的歌曲还有在。拜拜。今夜若太空泛滥，何处梦中寄逍遥？瑶曲缥缈纷纷扰，惊扰故人的号角。谈人生路兜兜转转，以你一情为了，随着小飞。乐天涯海角花眉秀，菩提下为孤身高歌，一曲多寂寥。夜晚灯火阑珊，煮酒一壶醉倒在床角。再回盼梦来时相邀，梦回当时年少，怕就是生意会是一吵闹太喧嚣。你离开的不快，不轻不重，刚刚好。缓缓在我心头筑起一座半世的监牢。 明夜楼台空烦恼，何处梦醉几逍遥？瑶曲缥缈纷纷扰，惊扰故人的号角。谈人生路兜兜转转，以你一情为了，随得笑飞过，任天涯海角挂眉笑。菩提下为浮生高歌，一起多寂寥。夜晚灯火阑珊，壶酒一壶醉倒在床角，再回盼蓬莱思相邀，梦回当时年少，怕就是生命会使你吵闹太喧嚣。你离开的不慌不情不重刚刚好，缓缓在我心头筑起一座半死的监牢。就唱半首我休息上一遍。As concert by Pooh。今夜的天，哎呀，sorry，忘记太久以前。
照亮孤单，随风摇曳。月光下，像微像一飞的蝴蝶，手中的
情话绣了一整夜。我们的爱情就像书中情节，从一开始爱到最后轻言幻灭，随眼泪里流成河不肯安歇，窗外的北风拂晓凛冽，用一生痴情换一幕背脊上离别，我自守进无意哽咽。你转身走的背影如此的渐渐，随风中悲歌唱一整夜，用一生痴情换一幕背脊上离别。你不曾看见我泪水涟涟，你离开以后天空飘起了大雪，我等你年年花开花谢。换首好，这首歌叫《上一遍》。然后昨天我跟杰西说的是《恋人心》，《恋人心》恋人意了，《恋人心》应该这首吧，它有2首。不是这首，就是应该这首吧，《恋人心》。化作风，化作雨，化作春，走向你。梦如诗，梦如影，梦是遥望的掌印。化作烟，化作泥，化作云，飘向你。思如海，恋如尘，思念最遥不可及。你问西湖水，偷走它的几分美。时光一去不再，信誓旦旦留给谁？你问长江水，淘尽心酸的滋味。剩半颗恋人心，换不回。我觉得这首歌很适合杰西。化作诗，化作笔，化作灯，写着你，默念着，轻弹着， 那些深深的记字，化作路，化作景，化作情，找寻你，爱一次，梦一场，思念最遥遥无期。你问西湖水，偷走它的几分美，时光一去不再，心事淡淡留给谁？你问长江水，耗尽心酸的滋味，剩半颗恋人心换不回。你问西湖水，偷走它的几分美，时光一去不再，心事淡淡留给谁？你问长江水，耗尽心酸的滋味，剩半颗恋人心换不回，剩半颗恋人心换不回，剩半颗恋人心换不回。S 还在吗？因为我没有歌了。想听什么歌吗？如果 S 还在的话，想听什么歌吗？还是洋洋什么歌吗？因为他刚进来，我就要跑的话，不太礼貌了啊！来了，你把光来一啊！是说要对着老婆唱，老婆在外面。黄昏的日头照着我，美丽已经变成一种寂寞。你点点伫身边照顾我，陪伴行过辛苦甲悲痛。假使那一天你要离开，我会不甘将目屎流干。不捌讲爱你，偏偏是失去才知影，无你踮身边。想要将你疼入命，不捌讲爱你。时间若替我倒退行，我心甘情愿为你吃苦替你听。如今想要反悔无卡做，过去一切都成了。黄昏的日头照着我，美丽已经变成一种折磨。你点点伫身边照顾我，陪伴行过辛苦甲悲痛。假使那一天你要离开，我会不甘将目屎流干。不捌讲爱你，偏偏是失去 才知听。无你踮身边，想要将你听入命，不捌讲爱你。时间若替我倒退行，我心甘情愿为你吃苦替你听。如今想要反悔无卡纸，过去一切做成人。不捌讲爱你，偏偏是失去才知听。无你踮身边，想要将你听入命，不捌讲爱你。时间若替我倒退行，我心甘情愿为你吃苦替你听。如今想要反悔无卡纸，过去一切做成人。谢谢。Hi, Farajani. Hello, Christian. Thank you for coming, Farajani. Long time didn't see you. Montagens Ribola. I tried to search for that. How are you today? Long time I didn't see you in my life. Montagen. This is a song, right? Can you give me some types? Okay. Give some types. Since you are coming back, and can you give me some normal songs that you like? I sing for you. Actually, I can't tell it's hard. Jadi you are very hot lah.
my English songs is very limited. Yeah, can I try Michael Jackson for you tonight? I never seen Michael Jackson. In my during my age, I think the hot is Michael Jackson. Beat it. Okay lah. Can you compromise a bit? Your song I take note. It's not too long. I think almost just 2 minutes. I do it. So in next 1 to live, if you are in my room, you let me know. I will sing for you your song that Montagen Ribola. Okay. When you are in my room, you just let me know. I only know a soft but happy song. So you want Michael Jackson, or you want have another one? What's that? Shalala. You want Shalala or you want Michael Jackson as a closing song for tonight? Shalala or Michael Jackson? Beat it. I think beat it also I cannot finish the whole song. Actually, my life, okay. My life, actually, if I'm not doing anything, I've been doing anything, usually around 9 o'clock, or sometimes I put it earlier, or 9:30, around that lah. You just take the subscription. You just you subscribe me, then you get a note. Tomorrow, I'm not sure because tomorrow is a public holiday. Yeah, maybe go to the Batu Cave area. So just for fun, beat it. Last song for tonight. Just for you. Welcome back.
OK，你哋同觀眾近距離拜年喎，點啊？邊邊先啊？呢邊啦，近距離拜年，好多利是啊，好好啊，送俾你。多謝，我哋講情啊，一路派利是一路要跳舞㗎，咁啊，我都落嚟呢度玩下先。There's a girl on my mind and she knows I'm thinking hard.
And I'm singing the song, hoping she'll be back when she heard it. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Oh, sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the evening. Oh, sha-la. Sha-la-la-la, yes on you. your love's gone away just like mine, you feel like crying. Sing along, maybe once, baby, try, just trying together. Cause one day no one knows your return, and you'll be happy. Fade away in the sun, listen to your heart in the sea. My heart goes sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the morning. Oh, 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 sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la in the sunshine. Oh, 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 sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la in the evening. Oh, 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 sha-la-la-la-la, sha-la-la-la just for you. 洋洋很水，结束了，结束了。谢谢洋洋。Good night 啊 ，Good night，Good night， 谢谢 ，See you again。洋洋有去吗？明天把都给我。如果你有去，我就肯定去了；如果你没去，我再想一下我要不要去。OK， 那我想一下我要不要去，因为怕塞车。哦，So good night 啊 ，for tonight. Thank you very much. Thank you. Good night. 晚安。